First impressions count. Preparing your home for buyers. Experience and research shows that many buyers make the purchasing decision based on their true emotions rather than just pure logic. One of the most important aspects as a home seller is learning how to tap into the buyer's emotions. It all starts with an attachment to a dream. Buying home is not just a financial transaction for most buyers. It's about realizing a dream that they've had for a long time. Buyers often have an emotional attachment to the idea of homeownership. It's all about envisioning a better life for themselves and their loved ones. Buyers start to mentally envision how they're gonna set up the furniture, where's the TV gonna go, how often are they going to have family gatherings, holiday parties. They start to mentally visualize their daily routines in your home. It's all about creating memories. Buyers are looking for a place where they could create wonderful, beautiful memories. The birthday parties, the holiday events. They are visualizing how their life will unfold for years to come in your home. Lastly, it's comfort and security. The feeling of having comfort and security in your home is a very powerful emotional driver. Never forget, buyers are drawn to homes that make them feel safe and at ease, both physically and, more importantly, emotionally. In closing, creating an emotional connection between your home and a buyer's emotions is critical for a successful sale. I'm Mike Babakan of Martin Mike Properties. Get it listed, get it sold.